Unraveling the meaning of govern. Hello, language explorers. Today, we're diving into the world of English phrases, and our spotlight is on the term govern. Stick around to understand its different shades of meaning and how you can use it like a pro. The word govern is derived from the Latin word gubernare, which means to direct, rule, or guide. In English, govern primarily means to conduct the policy, actions, and affairs of an organization, country, or state, typically by a governing body or a leader. Example: the country is governed by a democratic system. 2.1 Governing a territory or nation. When we talk about a president, prime minister, or monarch, we often refer to how they govern their nation or territory. This includes making laws, maintaining order, and representing the country. Example: Queen Elizabeth II governed the UK for many years. 2.2 Governing an organization or company. Govern can also be used in the context of businesses or organizations. Here, it refers to overseeing or directing operations. Example: the board of directors governs the company's decisions. 2.3 Governing oneself. Beyond groups and entities, govern can also refer to self-control or discipline. Example: she governs her emotions well, always staying calm under pressure. Understanding a word often means delving into its family of related terms. Here are some terms and phrases associated with govern. 3.1 Governance refers to the action or manner of governing an organization, state, or oneself. Example: corporate governance deals with the way companies are directed and controlled. 3.2 Governor, a person or body that governs a particular territory, state, or organization. Example: the governor of California announced new environmental policies. 3.3 Ungovernable describes something that cannot be controlled or governed. Example: the rebellious teenager was almost ungovernable. And there we have it. We've taken a deep dive into the term govern and its related phrases. English is full of nuances, but with every term we unravel, we get closer to mastering the language. I hope this video has given you a clearer insight into the word govern. Keep exploring and happy learning!